Right then, I'm bored as hell, and I'm going to try James Bond on this little cam lock. Commonly found on cash boxes, post boxes, cabinets, and I'm going to try the paper clip trick. So I'm just going to bend it open. I've got a little bit of a bar. I'm going to put a nice little nick in it. Right. Let's hope it's strong enough to do the job. Here goes. One. Oop. Oop, got you stuck there. Hey, come on you. Can't be that hard surely. I've seen it done very quickly in the spy movies. And running into bloody doors and stuff. Oh, look at that, look. Spin, spin, spin. He's done it already. Must be quite an easy lock, that one. See how quickly I can do it this time. What I'm looking for is all them pins, get them to the right point so the cam lock will turn. Now obviously it's not in a cabinet. Oh, it's very easy, that one. So I'm just using my hands as a turner. There we go. 1:49 for that.